Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is December 18th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we had a really nice day here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, if you take a look at the price ladders there to the left of the screen, you'll see that CL on the far left. We had a $1,980 day. We had 3 trades in here today, and I will show you these trades here now on your trader view. You can see this was from today's date. 1980 was the profit here. We had a winning trade of $2,000. We had a losing trade of $20, and that was actually a slippage on one lot, or 2 lots. That was 1 tick of slippage. So basically my stats turn out with 1, 1, and 1. 1 win, 1 loss, and 1 scratch trade. We held on to our winning trade here for 20 minutes. We also, which is an unusual occurrence for us, our losing trade was held on for 20 minutes. We had that one that ended up taking me out, slipping me out at a tick, actually, we held on for quite some time. So coming back in here into the month of December, we have had a really good month. One thing I want to show you here is that despite our winning percentage only being 34%, we are up a bunch of ticks here this month. 477 divided by 136 is a 3.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio, and that's why we're performing so well. Despite the win rate of almost 35%. So again, that's about what we expect in terms of reward to risk ratios. We're 2.5 to 3.5 to 1 reward to risk, and today was a whopping 8.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Let's talk about today's trade. We have our market maker levels here today. We put, again, we had what we call our ETH session mid level here at 49.16. We draw a box around these levels. And this is 10 ticks on either side, and these are our areas of interest or decision points on the chart. The market came down. We were looking actually to get short here initially this morning. If you were in the trade room, you know that we missed that. We said we're going to wait for the pullback, comes up, pulls back a couple of times, and ultimately gets us in for this big move to the downside. Now, one of the things that we were talking about here today is we were actually looking to hang on for this daily structure target down here at 167 ticks. We actually got in just on the underside of the box here at about 04, I think, is where we ended up getting in. And so that would have been 156 ticks as we were holding on for this move down to the daily structure target. That was an area that we were looking to get down into. Now, what actually occurred for us here today as we were trying to hang on is we came all the way down to 82, and then the market kind of bounced around back and forth before taking that flush. We ended up getting out at an even 100 ticks times 2 lots. It was really simple today, what we were looking to try to get accomplished. In fact, if you take a look here, we drew out this pattern. We said that this was the pattern that we were going to be looking for against this level. And so what we were looking for is we were looking for a pull down, back up, and then look to get short, right? This pattern right here is what we were looking for. This is exactly what we did. And we got into the market, and the market ended up taking a long move to the downside. I'm going to show you the video. The average video here is 20 minutes long, as you saw on the statistics there earlier. And what I'm going to do is take this trade in its entirety. I will cut it down into pieces, speed it up, put some music behind it, let you see where we get in. You'll hear actually where we got in the trade room, and then you'll get to see how the trade goes out. And you'll notice that at the beginning of the trade, I am down 2 ticks or 1 tick, $20. And then you'll see how we end up with these price ladders looking just like you see here. So that is what we're going to take a look at the OTG Trade of the Day video. So I'm going to stop talking and let you watch the OTG Trade of the Day. In at 04 here short, the stop is, well, that recent swing there was 22. I don't want to be that high. The stop right now is 16.